scissors, shoot. Surely this game sounds familiar. It is played all over the world and played by all ages, from children up to elders. Just to name a few countries, it's played by the United States, Germany, South Africa, and Indonesia, and consider it originated in China nearly 2,000 years ago. Here's a little bit more information about this game. The rules are similar to a circle. Scissors beats paper, paper beats rock, and rock beats scissors. Meaning that this circle is an infinite loop, and for most players it is left a burning question. Which object is the real winner? Or which object is the most important? Is it rock, paper, or scissors? Well, here's the answer. It's rock. Just like rock, paper, scissors, the usage of rock has united people globally. Simply looking at the construction of Earth alone is enough to hand rock its title of winner. Without Earth's rocky crust, there would be no continents, there would be constant erupting volcanoes, and no life forms at all. That's enough significance to easily outweigh paper or scissors any day. No continents or land forms means no community. But because of rock, Earth is currently home to over 8 billion inhabitants. Neither paper nor scissors can ever take credit for the Earth's infrastructure like rock can. Handling rock dates back to prehistoric times, unlike the employment of paper or scissors. Paper wasn't invented until 105 CE and is still easily destroyed. Unlike rock, it leaves little information about the past, and for that, much more history has been left through carvings, art, and structures. The evidence left behind once connected ancient peoples, and today connects interested learners and illuminates the important notes of the past. One can even go as far to say that most of what we know about history is known thanks to rock. Some famous cave art found in the Altamira and Lascaux caves dates back to 22 to 36,000 years ago. The art reveals historic customs, spiritual beliefs, and traditions, proving that the destruction of rock once united people many, many years ago. After the agricultural revolution, rock was used to document languages and preserve records of all kinds. A famous example of rock preserving records is the Rosetta Stone. Carved into a large stone tablet by ancient Egyptians, it still exists today and continues to educate many generations of the modern world on the ancient laws of early civilizations. Even the walls of the Egyptians inform many people today. The stone art and words not only instruct, but inspire as well. Rock also brought innovation to the Egyptians. The first stone tools were crafted, advancing the building and nurturing of the cities that evolved into the world we know today. Also, in Mesopotamia, the first stone wheel is crafted. Along the Silk Road, rock encouraged the transition of using monetary trade, utilizing coins. As well, the usage of rock spread languages of Chinese, Sanskrit, and Arabic, and spread religions like Judaism, Islam, and Buddhism. On account of these uses of rock, cultures were diffused and maintained. Where would our lives be today without rock? Today's civilizations would be missing fuel, infrastructure, and protection. Compared to paper and scissors, rock does much more. Paper is infamous for its litter, with 85 million tons of it being wasted, and that is comparable to a literal mountain made of clothing. Meanwhile, 4 billion trees are being used to create paper annually, yet 85 million tons of it are being wasted. Meanwhile, rock is a natural occurrence that takes zero waste to produce or get rid of. Then there's scissors. Scissors are vital for cutting through materials in certain industries and doing small jobs, and do not yield the same power as rock does. Rock is used to make buildings, art, tools, and are certainly ways to conserve history as seen in ancient Egypt, the Silk Road, and Lascaux and Altamira caves. Consider life today without it. Look at these photos. What do you see? What do you feel? One slide shows what waste will do to our aging world, largely credited to paper and other wasted products. But the other side shows rocks and nature enjoyed as it is intended to be. No, paper is not bad at all by any means, but its overall side effects are damaging to our planet, and its history is incomparable to rocks. Yes, meaningful words are written on paper, but they are also shared orally or written in stone. And although scissors do not have the same terrible side effects or problems, they do small jobs. They do not hold the same importance as rock. That is why rock is more important than paper or scissors.